Hi, welcome back to this update. Now, a number of you have asked, would the Gaugemaster track rubber rub off or help to polish out the scratches left behind by the Peco track rubber, or indeed any other scratches on the track? And I really wasn't sure. So what I've done is a quick experiment and I filmed it for you. Now you know how this works, you saw the last video, so you're only going to see the images from the microscope. So just before we get started, check out this image from the Gaugemaster website. Please note that there are two sizes of these track rubbers. The large one, which you saw me using, which is the GM25 seen on the left in the picture, and the smaller ones, GM24, seen on the right. So if you feel the one I was using is too big, which to be honest it could be for some situations, then you can pick up the smaller one, which is even cheaper. Anyway, on to the microscope work. Alright, here we are looking at the rail. Now this is where we tested the Peco rubber. Clearly scratched across the grain of the metal. Just scrolling forward a little bit, just have a little look. So this is the area we're going to focus on. Now just to the left of this is those three little notches in the track that you see here. Now I've passed the Gaugemaster rubber over once now. Just back and forth a few times, and straight away, yes, scratches have greatly reduced. In fact, I thought I'd made a mistake and was looking at the wrong bit of track, so I'm glad I picked out those three notches. So just scroll back to those so we know where we are. You can see the bits and pieces of rubber underneath on the paper and the track bed. Try and get back to those three notches for you. There they are. Now I've been over it again now, and as we scroll to the right, look at this. It has indeed polished out the majority of the scratches. I'm really surprised, because that means, you know, it is taking down the track a little bit. I mean, it's only absolutely microscopic. Even though this is a microscope we're looking through, it's smaller than that. Now, third and final pass coming up. Here we go. Starting in the same places. I think I even got rid of the notches. You can see the amount of rubber that's there below the track. But, yeah, the scratches have gone. Pretty impressive, eh guys? Hope that's been of interest to you. Stay tuned for more interesting technical videos and running videos very, very soon. Cheers for now. Bye.